you so much for tuning in to Growing with Miss D. I am so excited to continue growing and learning with you today. For our warm-up, we will be starting with counting on. I have made a handy-dandy Play-Doh cookie 10 frame to help us with our counting. I just used a cookie sheet, some tape, and Play-Doh to show 10 different spaces, and then that will help us with counting on. First, I will show an example for you so that way you can know what it will look like. I will say a number, and then we'll use the tool to help us with counting on. My turn. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. My turn one more time. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Do you think that you can try? Let's try one together. We will start from the number 60. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Are you ready to try another one? I bet you are. Let's try another one together. We'll start from the number 80 this time. 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. Let's increase the challenge together so it'll be even more tricky, but I know that you can do it. This time, when we're working together, we are going to start off with the number 34. Let's try it. 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. See, you can do it. Let's try another one. We're gonna keep on going. This time, we'll start with the number 52. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62. Are you ready to do one more together? And then it will be your turn to do it all on your own. Oh yeah, I think that you can do that. Let's start off with the number 84. 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Congratulations, you're showing that you are growing. Are you ready to try a couple by yourself? I will say the number and then I will continue to point for you so that way you know you're able to use that tool to help you with counting on. And then when we get to the last number, I will say it so that way you can check your work. Let's try it. It's your turn. Start with the number 36. 36. 46. Are you ready to try another one? This time, start with the number 58. 58. 68. Let's try one more. Your turn. This time, start with the number 69. 69. 79. How did you do? If you need to practice, you could use a paper or use your own tools at home to create a 10 frame. You'll start at a number and then use your 10 frame tool to practice counting on. Once again, thanks so much for challenging yourself to grow with Miss D during today's warm-up. I am so proud of you. I am going to share a strategy with you that can help you when adding two two-digit numbers together. At the top, I have the math fact that we are going to solve together. This will be our workspace, and at the bottom, we will write the total. That's the answer to the math fact. The math fact that we have first is 47 plus 22. In order to solve that math fact, first we are going to break apart 47 and we'll break apart 22. We will break apart each number into 10's and 1's. Let's try it. First, look at the number 47. I notice that there is a 4 in the 10's place. To figure out what the value of that digit is, I can count by 10's. It's in the 10's place. 4 is the same as 40. I know this because if I count by 10's 4 times, it will give me 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. 4 is the same as 40, so I'm putting that in the 10's place. Next, in the number 47, I also notice that we have the digit 7, and it is in the 1's place. Since it's located in the 1's place, I'm going to add those 7 1's into this box right here. Let's try breaking apart the number 22 next. I notice that there is a 2 in the 10's place. The value of that 2 is 20 because 2 is in the 10's place, so we'll count by 10 2 times. 10, 20. The 2 represents 20. In the 1's place, I notice that there is a 2. Since there are 1's, the value of that digit is 2. Now it's our job to look more closely. 40 and 20. Oh, that's 60. I'll put a little box here because I know that 40 plus 20 is 60. 7 plus 2. Thinking on my own. 7 plus 2 is 9. To finish solving our math fact, we can take our 10's and our 1's together to find the total. 60 plus 9 is 69. Let's try another one. This time we have 36 plus 43. We need to break apart each number. In the number 36, I see a 3 in the 10's place. So we'll count by 10 3 times. 10, 20, 30. There is a 6 in the 1's place. So the value of that number 6 is just 6. With the number 43, I notice a 4 in the 10's place. We'll count by 10 4 times. 10, 20, 30, 40. I also notice a 3 in the 1's place. The value of that 3 is just 3. Once again, we need to find the sum in each box before adding them together to find the total. 30 plus 40. That's 70. 6 plus 3. That's 9. 70 plus 9. 79. Nice work. You're showing that you are growing. Next, we're going to solve 82 plus 13. We need to break apart each number. I notice that there's an 8 in the tens place. So the value of that is 80. There is a 2 in the ones place. So the value of that number is 2. With the number 13, I see that there is a 1 in the tens place. So that's the same as 10. In the ones place, I see a 3. So the value of that number is just 3. Next, we need to find the sum in each box. 80 plus 10 is 90. 3 plus 2 is 5. Add them together and find the total. Thinking on your own. If you got 95, you are correct. Thank you for challenging yourself. It's showing that you are growing. Now that you've had the time to practice with me, it is your turn to solve a couple math facts on your own. Yes, you can do it. I'm going to give you a list of math facts. You can use the strategy that I shared with you today. You can use your hundreds, tens, and ones blocks if you have watched the previous math video clips, or you could try another strategy. Here are the math facts that I would like for you to try on your own today. There's a couple tricky ones just to challenge yourself. Draw a line down the middle. That way I can add a couple extra math facts. So here are your math facts that you can work on solving on your own. Congratulations on all of your hard work, and I look forward to hearing about all of your great practice that you complete on your own. Until next time, see you soon.